Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, we are filming the November project pen update, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. As you can see, I am blonde, I am very happy, but it is kind of strange. I do have pretty yellow hair right now, but it will be very easy to solve with some purple shampoo. I did my hair yesterday, so this is the reason it looks fresh, because it is fresh and is not natural yet, but it will be totally fine. I am very excited to have new hair, so that is that, and I am very excited for this update. I think it is the most interesting update. And first of all, I do have this eye look filmed. It is the first impression of this palette. This is the NYX Ultimate Utopia palette, and I have, like I said, this look filmed, so I think it will be the next video. Let's start with some random updates. I think I'm gonna let the interesting things at the end. And you know that I have 10 products in my project pen. I did finish some of them, and I'm not gonna include new products in the project pen just because I'm gonna film a finale in like mid-December, and that will be the only video that I'm gonna film this year for the project pen, so I don't think it's necessary to add right now new products. So we are gonna have less products for the finale and for the last month, but I think that will be nice because I really want to focus on other products because it is the end of the year. I'm gonna film the favorites, I'm gonna film the 2021 favorites revisited, and we're gonna do a bunch of videos for the end of the year. So I think just overall I will like to enjoy other products in my collection as well. So I don't want to pressure myself right now to add something new in the project pen. But next month we are gonna talk about the total number of products that I finished in 2022, and I am so excited about that number because it will be so interesting to see, and I want to film that video right now. I am so excited about the finale, but we are in November, so let's film this update. As you can see, the video is pretty late in the month just because I wanted to take a bit of time just to use my products a bit more until this update, because we are gonna film the finale in the middle of the month in December. So let's start with a random product, and this is the Nabla Cutie palette. I really like this palette. This is the wild berry one. I'm gonna put the video with the update on the screen, but I don't think penning palettes it's for me. Penning eyeshadows in general, I don't think it is for me. So next year, maybe I'm gonna decide to have 8 products in the project pen. I know that it is so... I really like perfect numbers and stuff that looks and it is it's sounding great, and 10 sounds like a really nice number. 8 is like, I don't know, I like to have 10 items in the project pen. Maybe I'm gonna include one skincare item or something like that, something different, but I really don't want to pen eyeshadows. I am keeping my opinion that penning palettes and eyeshadows is not for me, really. I really like colorful makeup, and I like to add a bunch of different colors and to mix different palettes and stuff like that. So choosing just one palette for myself is pretty strange. Maybe I could do one palette per month. Maybe that could be helpful, but is that a good thing to do for a project pen? I'm not sure. I'm gonna keep the palette for December as well, but I know that I'm not gonna use it that many times, and it is what it is. I really want to know my habits with this project pen, so forcing myself to do something that I really don't want, it will be a nightmare, so I don't want to do that. Another item that I really didn't use that much is this Clarins lip oil. This is the shade Plum. It is a nice color. I do like the formula, but it is so pigmented. I really can't use it every day. I did create a new mark, you are gonna see in the video, but it's not that much, and I'm not gonna finish it until the end of the year. Actually, I do have another one for an everyday use, is the Zara one, and I did remove the stopper, so why didn't I put this one in the project pen? I really tried a bit too hard with the Clarins one, but yeah, whatever, I'm gonna keep it until the end of the year, and we will see how much progress I can do until then. But I don't think I can finish that lip oil. And it was so funny that last month I was so confident. I was like, for sure I can use it until the end of the year. Maybe it will take 2 months, but for sure I can finish it. And now I am sure that I'm not gonna finish it. So very, very interesting thing that I learned in this month. So yeah. Next product, it is this Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder, and I have the shade 1 Natural, and I'm gonna insert the update. And as you can see, I did expand the pan, which is nice. I do have it on my face today. Of course, I'm gonna list everything that I have on my face, but I really like this bronzer. I like to use a more dense brush to apply it though, just because it is pretty light and you need to add a bit of product, and I think that's great for the project pen because I am using quite a bit of product when I'm using it. If I am putting this in the project next year, I think I will be able to finish it. But I am thinking for 2023 to do something a bit different and put my favorites into the project pen. And this bronzer, it is really nice. I really like it, but it's not my favorite. So I'm gonna see if I want to put it, or if I want to put my top favorite products, but yeah, we will see. Let's talk about the highlighter. This actually will be removed from the project pen because I did plan for this one to have 30 uses, and in August I did 12, in September I did 14, and then I had only 4 remaining, and in October I did use it 4 times, and then I used it 5 more times, and yeah, so this has 35 uses on it, and I think that's enough for now. I'm gonna remove it from the project pen because, like I said, I had 30 uses in mind. Another update that's not very exciting are these eyeliners. I don't know what's happening. I'm not using eyeliners. I'm not doing my makeup that often. I don't know what's happening, or I'm just not using these ones. But yeah, I didn't do any progress on any of them. So yeah, you are gonna see a picture with them. It is the same as last month. I don't think I'm gonna finish any of them until the end of the year. It is what it is. The next product I think I will be able to finish, and it is the Fit Me by Maybelline Luminous and Smooth Hydrating Primer, and I am putting an update, a video with the update. I do like this primer. I am using it today. I don't have a lot more product in here, so I think I will be able to finish it, but we will see. It will stay, of course, in the project pen until the end. And the product very similar to that is the Fit Me by Maybelline powder. Look at this giant pen. I'm gonna insert the video with this one as well, but I did expand the pen and it looks very nice right now. I don't think I will be able to finish it. Maybe I will be very close. I'm not sure if I'm gonna repress this powder. I'm gonna see, but I'm very happy with the progress. If I'm not finishing it this year, I will include it maybe in 2023, even though it's not my favorite, just to finish it up because it might be finished in 1 month or something like that. So I'm gonna try my best until the end of the year, but this is almost done. Okay, and we have 3 products left and they are all finished. I'm very excited. Let's start with this liquid camouflage by Catrice. This is done, as you can see. I don't have anything in there. And I did remove the stopper like one update ago or two, I don't remember, but it is done. I'm very happy. I really like this concealer, but I think I prefer the other one that I have from Catrice as well. But this is a very nice concealer. I did repurchase this like 4 times in my life, so it is a really good concealer. But I am very happy to be done with it. And I did finish the foundation from Maybelline as well, the Fit Me. This is the shade 110 Porcelain, and I'm so happy that I finished this one because it is pretty old. I really like this foundation, but the formula is a bit older. So newer foundations that are created now are a bit better than this one. But still, it is still a really good foundation. As you can see, I have a lining here because I did film the close-ups like 1 day ago, yesterday, or no, 2 days ago, and I didn't think that this foundation will be done, but I did use it yesterday, and yesterday I was really trying to get some product out, so today I did use it for the last time and it is done. And the last product from the project pan, and this is the most amazing finished product. I finished a lipstick. I can't put into words how happy I am about this lipstick because I really like the formula, I like the color, the packaging is nice. It is a MAC lipstick, this is the shade Kinda Sexy. And I am so happy that I was able to finish it. It looks like this. For this last month, I did use a brush to apply some product from here, but I don't like that, it is pretty dry. But as you can see, it is flat. This thing in here, it is plastic, so it's not more lipstick, and I am so happy to be done with this product. I think I did include this in January. 11 months, and it was not a new product, it was already used. Of course, I did use other lipsticks, but 11 months. So much time, and I did use that a bunch of times. I am so happy to be done with it. It was a really good one, but panning lipstick as well. In 2023, I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore. And this is the update. We will have 6 products remaining in the project pan. Like I said, I have these 3 finished, and I'm gonna remove the MAC highlighter because the goal was 30 and that is done. So I hope next month I will be able to finish this one. That is my goal. I know that the others, it's practically impossible to finish. And this powder, I think it will be very, very hard to finish this one as well. But I will be very happy if I'm finishing this one. I will be happy anyway because this project pan was very fun. And I did finish a bunch of products. And like I said, I am very curious about the total number of products. I will count and it will be so fun, and I do have all of them. That's really nice. I do have all of them, the empties, so we can have a look and it will be so nice. I am very excited for the next month. And yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.